Alright, so I guess it's time. It's been a while now. Let's go ahead and do a transition. Pull it out, pot it, put it into a different pot. Let's open this up. And look at the madness growing in there. And uh-oh, what's that? Let's see. See a problem here. There's a little bit of mold forming on that root over here, so we're going to go ahead and let's do an extraction of this real quick first from here. And some of them already have woven into the fabric here. That's fine. Go ahead and pull it out. Get off here, get off here. Alright, so you can see here it's nice and messy, but we do have a small problem here with this thing. You can see the white that has formed, that's all mold, so we need to get rid of that so it doesn't spread. Let's go ahead and get our little snip here. There we go, and we're gonna go over here. I'm trying to do one-handed, so that's why it looks awkward as hell. But here we go. Snip, done. Took that off. Go ahead, pull it out, and let's see what else. There's a little bit here as well, so we can get rid of that as well before it starts spreading. So let's go over here. You see that right there, the white one? I should have actually upplanted this maybe a while back. All right, so we got that off. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit better here. There we go. See, that's all mold. We don't want that. So that's fine. We pull that off. And what is this over here? There's some more in here also. Get rid of that. We'll clean it up later. But let's see. There's anything else standing in here? No, I think we're good at this point. Wait, I see something here. There's a little bit on that one also in there. Get rid of that. Now, ideally, you could actually just dip it in hydrogen peroxide also, and that will just destroy everything inside. As far as that goes, the roots will be fine, and we could just go up pot it. But at this point, I don't have hydrogen peroxide. I know I need to get some, but we'll go ahead and roll with it right now as is. So, with that being said, I do have a cup. Typically, that's what I like to use because they're far more accessible, easy, and nice to deal with. So, filled it up with a little bit of dirt, and we're going to go ahead and go over here. Pick this up, bring it over here, drop it in there. All right, so now obviously we do have some additional roots over here that we can just snap off. That's really not going to do much of anything. And obviously they're going to dry and fall off anyway because they're up in the air now. They're no longer moisture controlled. Take that off, take that off. You'll probably even toss it back in there. And oh, we do have a nice little leaf also forming up here. There we go. So we got this put in here. We can go over here and grab this. And there's another cup of dirt that I grabbed from outside. So it's actually warmer. It's no longer freezing outside like how it has been. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this back up in here. Let me see if I'm going to probably put this on down while I do this. So this way it's easier to manage. Alright, so we're still working on it, and it's still going through, breaking pieces off. Alright, just a little bit more. Alright, so we went ahead and transitioned the dirt from there into here, compacted nicely. And yeah, we're low, so we're gonna need to add some more, which I will do at a later point. That's fine. But you can see that this completes the transition. The roots are all over the place in there. They will start spreading. We'll go ahead, and the other thing we need to do is actually punch a hole in the bottom. So I will do that at a later point sometime today and water it. But right now the soil is fairly moist. This is good to go at this point. So now we do have a new tree using the experimental method we tried, rooting with just moisture. Instead of sand, we used, what is this called? Something, I'm forgetting the name of this. But yeah, I can't remember the name, but that's what we used. We created a high humidity environment in here, and they all rooted for the most part. The only thing that did not root was the pomegranate for whatever reason, but be that as it may. And yeah, this is also pomegranate. This did not root either. However, this is the fig one that did root. I'm forgetting the name of this one, what this one was. And this one was another experimental one that we're trying, but we can see they're all rooted. Over the next few days, I'll go and extract them all out, clean it out, and then we'll probably set up a longer term multi branch expanded experiment again and see how they do as well. But that's it for now. Chicago's on 6A out.